stormy days of icy cold, snowy, windy weather up north, my truck is loaded with the salt that they use on the roads, and it's on there pretty heavy. The one bit of try is this product, MAXRemove they call it, and they're stating that we need to do it to a 4:1 ratio. So you is fill the water up to the 4:1 mark, and I'm gonna go up to that line with the MAXRemove. Pour the concentrate. All right, it's up there, looks good. So what they say to do is read out a panel. Pretty heavy down on the lower panel. You can see the salt soaking it right up. I'm gonna do my wheel. But I'm gonna let that soak for a minute or two, rinse it down, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I have let the MAXRemove sit on this panel. What we're gonna do now is, now that it's sat on there for a few minutes, we're gonna rinse it off. Wow, I can really see you doing a bright job. You have them moving. That salt that was out there, it's pretty impressive. Remember, it's cleaning your wheel. Also, it is meant as a wheel plater and brake dust remover as well as everything else. And you can see what it looked like before I sprayed on the MAXRemove. I want to be able to show you the difference. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, just let this dry, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so let's check out the results of MAXRemove on road salt. That is what we started with. And even sanding this far back, you can see a noticeable difference between that rear door and the rear quarter panel on the truck bed. Huge difference. Before rinsing, this is a panel, rinse it off with just water. You can see there's a lot of salt still on the surface compared to this pail that I used the MAXRemove on. I don't know if you can see it, but there's still a water of salt on my wheel. Again, that wheel there had just simply rinsed off the salt. This one I used the MAXRemove on it. The salt's basically gone for the most part. I mean, there's a light film of dirt on the wheel, as to be expected, but the road salt is removed beautifully.